Hey there everyone, JP Latnick, Sapphire SEO, coming at you about blog builder basics, and in this phase we're going to show you a couple of things that you can do to configure your WordPress settings. Now with WordPress 3.5 they have updated so many different things and optimized so many settings that most of the work is already done for us now. But one of the few things that we're going to do is go into settings and go to permalinks, and to make it more search engine optimized, click on post name and save changes. What that's going to do is it's going to make the links that you create automatically when you create a page or a post be a little bit more search engine friendly and human friendly, frankly, when you're creating a site. So rather than it be your domain name / the date 2012 12 sample post, or $P equals 123, it'll actually be the post name that you created for the title of your blog post or page. Way better. Few other things is, actually, you know what? That's really pretty much all we need to do nowadays. And even before then, it wasn't even selectable. You actually had to type in the / percentage post name. Yeah. Anyway, so it's really simple now. That's it for setting up settings. Now, next phase is going to be plugins. And plugins was actually going to be its own phase, but I guess we'll just throw it in here. So let's go to plugins. Let's just click on plugins, actually. I like to delete Hello Dolly right away because it is a pointless plugin. I don't know why they have it in there. It is just annoying. Akismet, we're going to use. Click Update Now and activate the plugin. So that's activated. Now we need an API key for it. So click on the API key. If you don't have one, click Get One. Get an API key. And it's a personal, so click on the personal. Fill out your information and bring the bar down to 0. That's how much the income is going to be. You're going to click Continue. You're going to get a little email with a code. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our email account. And we're going to look for our API key. So Akismet support, your API key comes in the email. You highlight that. Go back into your WordPress. Put in your API key. Select the auto delete and the show number comments. Click update options, and that plugin is set up. Now what this does is it filters out a whole bunch of spam comments that are going to come to your site. Thousands of them, just thousands of spam, and it's going to filter them out for you so you don't have to. Isn't that nice? A couple of different other plugins. Now, highly recommend that you click the Add New button and you search for Yoast, YOAST. Click Search Plugins, and WordPress SEO by Yoast. Click Install Now. Click OK to yes, I'm sure. Activate the plugin. And this is an all-in-one search engine optimization friendly plugin for your site. It includes on-page content analysis, site maps, and way more. You can click on settings if you want, and you can start filling out all the information on the left-hand side. You've got titles and meta, so site-wide meta settings, home, post types, taxonomies, other. This gets intense. So don't overwhelm yourself with this. Take some time to read the support on this plugin. Very powerful. And one of the most important things is if you actually go to posts, you're going to see it added this SEO little button here. If it's gray, it means there's not much that's been done with it. If it's red, it means it needs work. If it's yellow, it means it's alright. If it's green, you're good to go. So how to work with that is if you click into the post that you've created, you'll see on the right hand side there's the SEO button. You click check. It pulls you down and it tells you no focus keywords is set for this post. So you click on general and you see here now you can put in your keyword, your title, and the description for this post, and it will show up a preview of what it would show up on the search engine right there. Once you fill this in, you click your update, and then this will show you whether or not you've actually completed those steps. It'll most likely be yellow. You click check again, and it'll give you even more things that you can change to make your page more optimized for search engines. So very, very easy to use plugin. Highly recommend you use that. Another plugin that you want to use is the Google Analytics. So Google Analytics, click search. Google Analytics for WordPress, click install now, click OK. Activate the plugin. And then here we are in the Google Analytics WordPress configuration. Now, it used to be that you could click here to authenticate with Google. You'd create an account with Google first with the Google Analytics, and you could just have it hooked up. It doesn't work so easily like that anymore. You have to manually enter your code. So if you haven't already, you need to go and create a Google Analytics account. Create a account specifically for the site, and you're going to get a UA code. You can't miss it. It says UA code. You highlight the UA code, you stick it into here, and you click the Update Google Analytics, and then your site is now being tracked by Google Analytics. So very, very good plugin to keep track of who's coming to your site, what pages they're going to, where they're coming from, where they're going to after they've been on your site. Really powerful. Another plugin that you want to use. Now, this one is incredibly important, and now that's going to get annoying, isn't it? Yeah. No. Okay, cool. Pop up and come back. Highly recommend this for you, and it is called Blog Vault. Now, I'm going to put up a link underneath this video. I'm also going to put it in the video, so it might be down below. Go to that link and go get that software. It's $9 a month, and what it does is it installs a plugin into your site called Blog Vault, and it does a daily backup of your entire site, not just the post, not just some of the design, everything. Learned that the hard way. That a lot of the other backup plugins, they only back up a certain section of your site, and your hosting does a backup once a week but it's only of databases that aren't being currently used by your site, so it's not the entire site. Learned that the hard way. After 6 months of building a couple of sites and got hacked, virus on our server, lost everything, and thought we had backups. Turns out it wasn't the full thing, so we couldn't recover our sites. So Blog Vault, you're going to get the link in the video here. Go there, purchase it. It's $9 a month. Daily backups of your entire site. So if anything goes wrong, you can bring it back online in less than 10 minutes. It takes less than 10 minutes to bring your site back up online, and it's a daily backup, so it's always fresh. Yeah. There are other plugins that you can always use in order to customize your entire site to so many different things. But those are basically the most basic ones that you need. You need your tracking, you need your SEO, and you need your backup. And you also need your spam filtration. Those are the main ones that you need. Everything else is just gravy. Yeah, this has been JP Letnick with some plugin help. I'll talk to you guys later.